Hi guys, Dr. Diogo Alves here, and I'm going to show you a new feature that we have, which is called the digital signature. So let's say that you already have your patient, and once you open the patient's folder, over here on the top, it's just loading now, but over here on the top, you scroll to the right, and you will find digital signature. Let me highlight it for you. It's right over here. And the goal here is for you to have the patient to sign the document that you just created. It could be your smile simulation, it could be your smile analysis, it could be your 3D dental walks-up. So click on it, select the design or the document, and hit create. So over here under notes, you are able to write anything that you find important for this design or anything that you discussed with the patient. Here, for example, we can write lower 3D planning for future crowns and veneers. Here, I'm just giving an example. Shade BL4. And then you can add any other statement that you find important for this digital signature. And then over here at the bottom, if you're using the MacBook like I'm doing, the patient can simply click and hold, and then with the other finger, she can do their signing, okay? Or you can also use the mouse, and if you're using the iPad, which I actually highly recommend you to do it because then we have the Apple Pencil, you can just ask the patient to sign in this area, all right? Then over here, you can hit save. If there is anything that you want to clear, you can just tap clear or you cancel it, all right? But over here, let's tap save. And then now the statement is being saved over here. It's gonna be right under the timeline over here at the bottom, all right? And then let's say you make a modification, or maybe the patient came in later on in another consultation. You can simply tap on that icon now here in the bottom, and you will see that there is a timeline. You can create a new signature. You can visualize it if you want, but you can also create a new signature on any other design, or even on the same design. Hit create, and then have that statement signed by the patient digitally here on SmileFy.